Multiplication table of quarter. Quarter 1 time is quarter. Quarter 2 times is half. Quarter 3 times is 3 quarters. Quarter 4 times is 1. Quarter 5 times is 1 and quarter. Quarter 6 times is 1 and a half. Quarter 7 times is 1 and 3 quarters. Quarter 8 times is 2. Quarter 9 times is 2 and quarter. Quarter 10 times is 2 and a half. Multiplication table of half. Half 1 time is half. Half 2 times is 1. Half 3 times is 1 and a half. Half 4 times is 2. Half 5 times is 2 and a half. Half 6 times is 3. Half 7 times is 3 and a half. Half 8 times is 4. Half 9 times is 4 and a half. Half 10 times is 5. Multiplication table of 3 quarters. 3 quarters 1 time is 3 quarters. 3 quarters 2 times is 1 and a half. 3 quarters 3 times is 2 and quarter. 3 quarters 4 times is 3. 3 quarters 5 times is 3 and 3 quarters. 3 quarters 6 times is 4 and a half. 3 quarters 7 times is 5 and quarter. 3 quarters 8 times is 6. 3 quarters 9 times is 6 and 3 quarters. 3 quarters 10 times is 7 and a half. Multiplication table of 1 and quarter. 1 and quarter 1 time is 1 and quarter. 1 and quarter 2 times is 2 and a half. 1 and quarter 3 times is 3 and 3 quarters. 1 and quarter 4 times is 5. 1 and quarter 5 times is 6 and quarter. 1 and quarter 6 times is 7 and a half. 1 and quarter 7 times is 8 and 3 quarters. 1 and quarter 8 times is 10. 1 and quarter 9 times is 11 and quarter. 1 and quarter 10 times is 12 and half. Multiplication table of 1 and half. 1 and half 1 time is 1 and half. 1 and half 2 times is 3. 1 and half 3 times is 4 and half. 1 and half 4 times is 6. 1 and half 5 times is 7 and half. 1 and half 6 times is 9. 1 and half 7 times is 10 and half. 1 and half 8 times is 12. 1 and half 9 times is 13 and half. 1 and half 10 times is 15. Multiplication table of 2 and half. 2 and half 1 time is 2 and half. 2 and half 2 times is 5. 2 and half 3 times is 7 and half. 2 and half 4 times is 10. 2 and half 5 times is 12 and half. 2 and half 6 times is 15. 2 and half 7 times is 17 and half. 2 and a half 8 times is 20. 2 and a half 9 times is 22 and a half. 2 and a half 10 times is 25.